aquatics, archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, billiard and snooker, boxing, canoeing and kayaking, cycling, football and beach football, fencing, golf, gymnastics, handball and beach handball, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho-kho, lawn balls, modern pentathlon, netball, rowing, rugby, sabak takraw, shooting, squash, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, triathlon, volleyball and beach volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, wushu, yachting, rollball, the indigenous sport, yoga, the ancient spiritual discipline of India, Mallakhambh, the traditional sports of India, Penaxilat, the martial art, Square martial art, the ancient martial art of Kashmir, and Kalyaripattu, Indian martial art from Kerala. The Lagori, demo sports, traditional sports of India, and Katka, demo sports, ancient sports of India.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.